Hi, I'm Amy from Choklits Childcare, and today I'll be showing how we make Play-Doh. So all you need to begin with is a wooden spoon and just a big bowl that you can just easily mix it through. So first off, you need to mix all your dry ingredients. So you need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Just pour that in. And then you need 3/4 of a cup of salt. And then you need 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. So just pour all that in and give it a good stir. You can even get your children involved in this part by getting them to pour it in by stirring. So once it's done a good stir of it all mixed through, you can start adding your wet ingredients. So all you need is 2 cups of lukewarm water and 2 teaspoons of olive oil, whatever oil you've got at home. And give that a good stir. Then begin to knead the Play-Doh, and you can always add in more flour to get a better consistency with it. So once you've finished kneading it, here at Choklits we like to add in natural ingredients to help make it smell nice. So I'll just put some of these in, give it a good knead again. And then here we are. Big bunch of Play-Doh for fun times. So the natural ingredient today that we used for our Play-Doh was lavender.